Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, before we study English for today, please we must try to that first. Please, the leader of this class. Come on. Attention, please. Let's try, please. Finish. Greet the teacher.
Good afternoon, Mrs.
Okay, who is doesn't come today? Why? They didn't come to class. They were masih, and then? Have you two homes of Nurjana to see the condition of Nurjana? Yeah. Okay, we help Nurjana and the others get also, yeah, and then come to classroom with you and then study together. Okay, yeah. Okay. Before we study English, you have to read that one.
Time to begin 11:11.
Before we study English, I want to give you the ice breaking. Yeah, ice breaking. Okay, come on, stand up, please. This is the ice breaking. This is the in order to you must concentrate to study English for today. Yeah. When I showing one, you must showing. Then when I showing two, you must only two. Don't showing it. And then when I showing three, you must showing and then saying. Okay. And then when I showing four, you don't doing anything. You get it?
Yes.
Example. You don't showing one. Okay? One. But you don't. You must look at me. Only look at me. Yeah? Example. But before we study English about the topic today, the event in the Palu?
Yes.
Yes. What happened in the Palu? Earthquake. Yeah. And tsunami. A tsunami. Okay. In the Palu happened a tsunami and the earthquake. Yeah. Okay. We hope the people who died in the heaven, yeah, Sarika can give the place, the beautiful place, yeah. Okay. We study, we can give the right to the people. Okay. Yeah. Let's play basmala and Al-Fatihah for doing the people like okay. By the way, this time we talking about the tsunami. Yeah, this is related to the topic for today. Yeah, tsunami. Okay. Tsunami. Yeah, this is related for today because first study we can study about the factual report. Yeah, report text. Then again, this materially or topic for today. Yeah, but I would like to show you what is the function, what is the social function, what is the language, the future, or the grammatical in use the factual report. Yeah. Okay, I would like to show you about the PowerPoint. Now, yeah, for today, the topic for today, we study about the factual report text. Do you know about the factual report text? You have heard about what is the report text? Definition. I might like to give you the definition or the example of the report text. But for the first, I would like to give you what is the social function or competence, basic competence in the topic. Yeah. Okay. For today we study about today is the factual. Okay. And basic competence of this topic first is about the basic competence. Yang KD ada KI pengetahuan. Okay. Ya. This is the competence, basic competence. Kamu harus bisa mampu menganalisis bentuk teks, ya, mampu menganalisis apa itu unsur bahasa and social function dari factual report. Ya, ini adalah kompetensi yang harus kalian capai pada akhirnya. Itu in the end of the learning, you can make a report text. Ya, diharapkan ya. Lalu selanjutnya, okay, this is the KD, basic competence of the main competence in Kapila yang menyusun teks. Sedangkan, nah indikator yang harus kalian capai dalam topik ini yang pertama adalah this. Apa itu vocabulary word? And then you must complete it. Complete the vocabulary word. And you can rearrange or you make it about the vocabulary word. Then you can communicate what is the report. This is the purpose of learning in this topic. Ya. Oke. Nah, tujuannya, the purpose of the learning in meeting one. Nah, ini ya tujuannya yang kita. Nanti di pertemuan berikutnya. Oke. Ini ya. Nah, ini in second meeting you can complete it, ya. In the third meeting you can communicate, ya. Communicate the social functions, text, kebahasaan in vocabulary. In the last meeting, okay, ya. Nah, after this, after you know what is the purpose about the learning, I want to give you the recording part of the vocabulary function of vocabulary word, and you can
Dám nggak?
Usually cooked in hot water before being eaten. Pasta is also the national dish of Italy. And
Unit 8. Factual Reports. Task 2. Listen to each text and then complete the table with words in check marks.
Text 1. Pasta is a food made from wheat flour or rice flour and water. Pasta sometimes has eggs in it. It is usually cooked in hot water before being eaten. Pasta is also the national dish of Italy and has also been eaten in many parts of Asia for a long time. It is usually eaten in sauce, fried, or in soup. Pasta comes in many different shapes and sizes.
Text 2. The giraffe is a mammal from Africa. It is the tallest animal that lives on land. Giraffes can be 4.8 to 5.5 meters tall and weigh up to 900 kilograms. Giraffes have very long necks and legs. Their fur is a light yellowish or brownish color with dark patches. Giraffes eat mostly leaves from tall trees, which they can reach because of their long legs and long necks. And they also eat small insects and fruits. Another interesting fact about giraffes is that they can go without water for weeks.
Text 3. Lightning is a powerful electrical charge made during a thunderstorm. The electric current is very hot and causes the air around it to expand very quickly, which in turn makes thunder. Sometimes it happens between clouds. When lightning strikes, the surface rubs electrons from the lightning and a spark of electricity shoots from the lightning to the surface. In a thunderstorm, the lower clouds have as many as 100 million volts of electricity in them.
Text 4. Electricity is a force caused by electrical charge. It is a form of energy which we use to power machines and electrical devices. When the charges are not moving, it is called static electricity. When the charges are moving, they are an electric current and are sometimes called dynamic electricity. Electricity is mostly generated in places called power stations. Most power stations use heat to boil water into steam, which turns a steam engine. The steam engine's turbine turns a machine called a generator. Generators have wires inside which spin inside a magnetic field. Electromagnetic induction causes electricity to flow through the wires.
Text 5. A mosquito is a type of fly. It is the common name of a family of flies in the order Diptera. Usually both male and female mosquitoes feed on nectar and plant juices. The females land on warm-blooded animals, pierce a capillary, and inject saliva to stop the blood coagulating. Then they suck up to eat the blood. Mosquitoes require protein from a blood meal before they are able to produce eggs.
Task 2. Listen to each text and then complete the table with words in check marks.
Text 1. Pasta is a food made from wheat flour or rice flour and water. Pasta sometimes has eggs in it. It is usually cooked in hot water before being eaten. Pasta is also the national dish of Italy and has also been eaten in many parts of Asia for a long time. It is usually eaten in sauce, fried, or in soup. Pasta comes in many different shapes and sizes.
Text 2. A giraffe is a mammal from Africa. It is the tallest animal that lives on land. Giraffes can be 4.8 to 5.5 meters tall and weigh up to 900 kilograms. Giraffes have very long necks and legs. Their fur is a light yellowish or brownish color with dark patches. Giraffes eat mostly leaves from tall trees, which they can reach because of their long legs and long necks. And they also eat small insects and fruits. Another interesting fact about giraffes is that they can go without water for weeks.
Text 3. Lightning is a powerful electrical charge made during a thunderstorm. The electric current is very hot and causes the air around it to expand very quickly, which in turn makes thunder. Sometimes it happens between clouds. When lightning strikes, the surface rubs electrons from the lightning and a spark of electricity shoots from the lightning to the surface. In a thunderstorm, the lower clouds have as many as 100 million volts of electricity in them.
Text 4. Electricity is a force caused by electrical charge. It is a form of energy which we use to power machines and electrical devices. When the charges are not moving, it is called static electricity. When the charges are moving, they are an electric current and are sometimes called dynamic electricity. Electricity is mostly generated in places called power stations. Most power
Okay, finish. Yeah, we will check it, okay? Okay, yeah. For the first step 1. Okay, you will only put it, yeah? Put it on the text. Okay, text 1. What is the text about? Next one. Okay, name it. Follow what? Good, good job. Okay, when I good job, you can repeat, yeah? G-double-O, G-double-O, G-G-O-V, good job. Good job. Do you answer and do you get it? Yeah. 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 After you watching about the videos of the important text, what is you get the point of important text? Right. Yeah. About
Mammal or plant.
Okay. Good. Letters. Yeah, after you watching the video, what is the point of the report text? Describe. Okay, first is describe about something. Describe of mammals, plants. And then about these three. Okay, about the phenomena, things, and the others. Okay, yeah. Okay. And then what is the generic structure? Do you get it about it? Generic structure of the recorded text. Okay, first is about Okay, and then description. Yeah. The generalization is the point of the text, and then description. Yeah. This is description. Yeah. Okay, and in the videos, the example about cat. About cat. About cat. And then you can point about the generalization about cat, and then the description about cat. For example, about the leg, about the hair, and yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. After this, I want to ask you, Okay, good. You.
Tsunamis rage across the sea at up to 500 miles or 805 kilometers and hover about as fast as a jet airplane. At the place, they can cross the entire expanse of the Pacific Ocean in less than a day. And their long wavelengths mean they lose very little energy along the way. In deep ocean, tsunami waves may appear only a foot or so high, but as they approach shoreline and enter shallower water, they slow down and begin to grow in energy and height. The tops of the wave move faster than their bottoms do, which causes them to rise precipitously. A tsunami's top, the low point beneath the wave crest, often reaches surface. When it does, it produces a vacuum effect, then shoots coastal water seaward and exposes harbor and seafloors. This retreating of seawater is an important warning sign of a tsunami because the wave crest and its enormous volume of water typically hits shore 5 minutes or so later. Recognizing this phenomenon can save lives.
Okay, what's the other school? The other school? Okay, good.
A tsunami is usually composed of a series of waves called a wave front, so its destructive force may be compounded and successive waves reach shore. People experiencing in tsunami should remember that the danger may not happen with the first wave and should avoid official word that it is safe to return to vulnerable location. Some tsunamis do not appear or show a passive breaking wave, but instead resemble a quickly surging tide that reaches coastal areas. The best defense against any tsunami is early warning that allows people to seek higher ground. The Pacific Tsunami Warning System, a coalition of 26 nations headquartered in Hawaii, maintain a web of seismic equipment and water level gauges to identify tsunami at sea. Similar systems are proposed to protect coastal area worldwide.
Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Please read about the tsunami, and then I want to ask you, what is the generic structure? The generic structure about the tsunami in generalization. Generalization. Okay, good. Paragraph 1 is the generalization of tsunami. And then after that, about this. Okay. How many description about the paragraph of tsunami? Okay, ya. Okay. Yeah, the others of the paragraph, paragraph 2 until paragraph 8, this is the description of tsunami. Yeah? Okay. Yeah. I think this is enough for today. But before we closing the meeting of that day, I will ask you what is the reflection of topic today. What do you get about the sound? Learn about the reported text. Apa yang pelajari? Get about? Huh? About how to make text. Okay, good. And then about how to filling, yeah, filling the text about reported text. kamu melihat ada apa itu? Present tense ya. Nah, itu yang digunakan. Nah, untuk pertemuan berikutnya kita akan mempelajari ya, we can study about the language feature about the simple present tense. And I hope you can get it about the report text. This is the kinds of text in the daily activity in your life. Yeah. Okay.
Attention please, greet to the teacher.
See